Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade, and in today's exciting video we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the MAAS Metal Polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of the MAAS Metal Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible, then wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. MAAS Metal Polish uses a fine abrasive to clean oxidation from aluminum and restore a bright, reflective finish, while leaving behind a light, water-resistant protective layer that helps maintain the shine and makes future cleanup easier. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.